Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in LakeCity Bank account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in www.lakecitybank.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of LakeCity Bank. You'll be able to find several options over here. At top right corner of your screen you'll be able to find the option for access account. Simply click on the drop down icon that you can see right next to this option. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. At first you'll be able to find the option for LakeCity Bank Digital. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official login interface of LakeCity Bank. From here you'll be able to log into your account. All you need to do is enter your user ID and password. So click on the field of user ID. Now enter the user ID over here. Likewise click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forgot your password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in LakeCity Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.